David Sowers here with Kruger Busch Campers, and today I want to talk about our 2013 Porsche Cayenne. This is what we use to pull our campers into the wild. This is what gets us to the place that we want to go so that we can enjoy our time spent. Some of the modifications that we did are, one, Nomad wheels. I mean, incredible design. It is simplistic, but yet it is built for adventure. And look at the touch. Look at the addition. I mean, it's like bright white. It's a feature that that can't go unnoticed. But not only that, it is functional. This is the 17-inch 501 Convoy Salt with bright white, and it just fits the wheel well perfectly. We've got Interco Super Swampers on it. I mean, it's just unmatched in the industry. So Jason, I think we've come to where you are most excited about, where I am very excited about.
Oh yeah.
Tell me about these Interco tires.
This is the Interco tire setup we got. We wrapped this whole car with 5 Interco Super Swamper and the Nomad wheels. This setup, it rides good. It's got the hum of the Super Swamper that everybody loves to hear, that you can hear a mile away.
The ride level on this is surprisingly well for like an all-terrain mud tire. Not just like a radial, but I mean like a true mud tire.
Right.
And that's what Interco is famous for. I mean, we've known ever since I was a kid, you can hear these things coming from a mile away. They give you that confidence. I mean, it's almost like, it's like that annoying Harley guy that's revving the engine in front of you and you're just like, why is he doing like that? You know, like, and it's why, because he feels that power. This is my time. Well, that's what these tires do. I mean, you hear them coming, you hear them, you get in.
Just want to climb a mountain.
Yeah. You just want to go through that ditch. You want to go through the mud. You know, it's like, we don't need no winch.
Right.
You know, I got the Super Swampers on. I got the Interco tire. I'm gonna go right on through it.
Right.
I don't need all that other get up. And you're right. This whole setup that we've got, from the Eurowise 3-inch lift to the Nomad wheels, but the Interco tires. These are the M16s. Freaking awesome.
And the way they ride and sound and feel.
This little off-road vehicle is like a monster truck now.
Yep.
The power and the capabilities have just gone tenfold.
Yep.
Jason, tell me about the 3-inch lift. What did we have to do to make it happen?
Well, the lift we chose from Eurowise. The front is pretty simple. Well, the rear, you got this a little more complicated when getting into the strut, taking it apart and installing your spacers. It was the instructions, the way it comes in the box, it's all cut and dry, self-explanatory if you go by the instructions step by step.
That's an important step for sure. What else did we do? We went with the rooftop rack. This is the little bit bigger one.
Yep.
Because of the sunroof that goes all the way back. This is, I think, the Gen 2, but it is also Eurowise.
With the light bar all the way across the top.
Yeah. Now, all this comes in black. We did paint it.
Custom paint.
Burnt orange, I think what it is, to kind of match our whole theme. But got the tire up top. I think the lift capacity is 500 pounds. How hard was that to put in?
The roof rack, once again, you follow the instructions. It's no big deal. The hardest part is pulling the headliner down and getting it back up where everything in the car is not rattling. That's the main thing.
The quickest and probably easiest modification from Eurowise that we did is the light bull bar. Quick, bolts right into the recovery tow hooks that are already mounted. I mean, it's solid. A little bit of lighting, but most part, aesthetically and from a quick maneuver, it happens fast.
You know, you can do that with your eyes closed.
I almost think that the 3-inch lift should become kind of a standard option on this vehicle because it really just
Stood it out.
yeah, it makes a huge difference, and you don't feel like a significant
Like
performance change or ride comfort or anything. It
It's
just
a real jacked up car. You feel like
Yeah.
you're still in the
the ride
spot.
comfort is still there. Yeah. I love it. Jason, I can't thank you enough for helping us out with all this and putting this together and, you know, keeping us safe, but also
You did.
tearing some stuff up.
Yep.